Are you struggling to learn the piano and feeling frustrated with your progress? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Jacata 61-key keyboard. Let's kick things off with the Jacata 61-key portable electronic keyboard piano. At $159.99, this keyboard caught my attention with the lighted full-size keys and the amazing bundle it offers. If you want a solid start to your musical journey, this is worth a serious look. What sets the Jacata apart is its full-size 61 keys that light up, which is perfect for beginners trying to learn. The LCD display shows which functions you're using, and with 255 tones and rhythms, you won't run out of musical options anytime soon. Plus, it has 3 teaching modes to guide you step by step. Honestly, the built-in speakers sound pretty good, and you can even practice silently with headphones included in the package. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking to practice at night or don't want to disturb anyone, the headphone jack is a lifesaver. It's become a popular choice with over 600 units sold last month alone, proving it's a hit among new learners. Now, some reviews mention that the key sensitivity isn't the best. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, this might not impact your learning as much as you think. The focus is on getting you familiar with the keys and the sounds, not on concert-level performance right away. This keyboard is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive learning tool and enjoy a variety of sounds. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact or if you want advanced features right off the bat. Overall, it's a great value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious learners. Product number 2, the RFGY HET 61-key keyboard piano, priced at just $35.08. I was really surprised by what you get for such a low price. If you're looking for an affordable way to introduce your kids to music, this is a fantastic option. This keyboard has a lot packed into it. 61 keys, built-in speakers, a microphone, and even 100 rhythms and tones. The recording function is a fun feature that allows kids to listen back to their music, which could really boost their confidence. It's also lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around the house or even take on trips. The kid-friendly design is a big plus too, since it's made from safe materials. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to engage your child in music without breaking the bank, this keyboard gives them a great starting point. However, some parents have pointed out that the sound quality could use improvement. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're looking for professional-grade sound, this isn't it. But for beginners, it's more about getting them excited about playing rather than flawless audio. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, budget-friendly keyboard for your child. Skip this one if you're looking for something with advanced features or better sound quality. For the price, it's an excellent value. Now, if the sound quality of the RFGY HET bothered you, the next keyboard is a step up in that department. Product number 3, the RockJam 61-key compact keyboard piano, which is available for $69.99. This one caught my eye with its built-in digital effects and a solid design. If you're a beginner but want to step up in quality, this keyboard might be just what you need. What I really like about the RockJam is its versatility. It features 200 sounds and rhythms alongside 10 demo songs, giving you plenty of options to play around with. The inclusion of keynote stickers is great for beginners as it helps visualize notes and promotes muscle memory. Plus, it's compatible with the Simply Piano app, which gives you access to more learning resources. Here's why this matters for you. If you're serious about learning, this can keep you engaged with its variety. One downside is that some users found the keys a bit stiff. Now, some might see this as a deal breaker, but here's my take. For a beginner, that stiffness can help you develop stronger finger control, so it might actually benefit your learning in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your skills with a keyboard that offers a bit more. Skip this one if you want something more lightweight or portable. Overall, it's a solid investment for budding musicians. Alright, that was a great choice. But if you're really focused on learning, you'll want to hear about the next product. Product number 4, Mustar 61-key piano keyboard. We have the Mustar 61-key piano keyboard priced at $129.99. This keyboard stands out with the lighted keys specifically designed for beginners. If you want a keyboard that practically teaches you, this is worth your attention. The lighted keys are a game changer as they provide visual cues for each note, making it easier to learn and play along with songs. Plus, with 255 tones and rhythms, you have endless possibilities to explore musically. The keyboard also features 3 intelligent teaching modes, so you can progress at your own pace. Here's why this matters. If you're new to piano, having a visual aid can speed up your learning process and make it more enjoyable. However, some users mentioned that the build quality doesn't feel as sturdy. Now, here's the thing. While it may not be the most durable option, if you're primarily using it for learning and not heavy gigging, it should serve you well for quite some time. This is perfect for you if you want an interactive way to learn to play the piano. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's highly portable or professional grade. Overall, it's a fantastic value for beginners. Now, if you're looking for a complete beginner kit, the last keyboard might just be the best option for you. Product number 5, Mustar Light-Up Keyboard. We have another model from Mustar, the 61-key keyboard piano with light-up keys, retailing at $135.99. This one is similar, but comes with additional features that could make a difference in your learning. If you want a complete beginner setup, this is an option to consider. This keyboard also has light-up keys, which guide your fingers as you play, making it great for beginners. It's equipped with a smart burning system that tracks your progress so you can see how you're improving over time. Plus, it includes a full kit, a microphone, headphones, a stool, and a stand. Here's why this matters. If you want everything you need in one package, this makes it super convenient to get started right away. On the downside, some feedback mentions the audio quality isn't the best. Now, while that could be a concern for advanced players, for beginners, this keyboard's primary goal is to help you learn and enjoy playing. Sound quality can always improve later. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive kit to jumpstart your piano journey. Skip this one if you're an experienced player looking for high-end features. For the price, you're getting great value with everything included. Alright, that wraps up my top 5 picks. Let's break it down a bit more. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 fantastic lighted keyboard pianos. The Jikata offers a great all-around option, while the RFY GHET is perfect for budget-conscious beginners. The Rock Jam adds versatility, and the Mustar models really shine with their teaching features. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Mustar Light-Up Keyboard because it provides a complete beginner kit and effective learning tools.